A little rain today. We're focused on tomorrow, though.
David.
Yeah, big time. We're looking at we're going to see tonight through tomorrow, most of tomorrow, basically what we've seen today. Clouds, warm weather, spotty showers, maybe even a rumble of thunder, but for the most part, it's going to be fairly quiet weather compared to what we're going to have Thursday evening when strong storms move through. Behind those storms, we'll have cold weather settling in for our Friday. Warm though right now, upper 50s, low 60s, 61 Chattanooga, 62 in Cleveland. Pollen counts high today. The tree pollen really doing its thing, but that storm system that brings us the nasty weather also begins to lower our pollen counts as we head through the weekend. By Saturday, Sunday, though, we will start to see it warming up. By the end of Sunday, those pollen counts will be climbing once again. So radar satellite, this is the pattern that we've had basically all day that we'll continue to have into tomorrow morning. Just clouds, spotty showers. I'm not going to rule out a rumble of thunder as all of that moisture continues to stream in. Not too much going on the radar right now. We still may be getting some light mists and drizzles, but nothing really of substantial getting picked up by radar. We may see this evening a few spotty areas of heavy rain drifting through, but that's going to be the exception rather than the rule. And then overnight into Thursday morning, basically the same thing. Just these spotty showers continuing to pop up here and there. And here's the front that's going to bring us the heavier rainfall and thunderstorm activity as we move through our Thursday evening. I think you're fine until 5 o'clock. 6 o'clock, we'll start to see it moving over the plateau. 7 o'clock, beginning to move through Chattanooga. And then 8 o'clock, look how slow this front moves. 9 o'clock, very little movement. 10 o'clock, so the longer and the slower this system moves and stays with us, the more that rain is just going to keep on keeping on. So localized flooding is not going to be out of the question at all. Low visibility with a heavy rain. Thursday evening, bad travel time for you. I would recommend, if you don't have to, don't get out and do much traveling on Thursday evening. Late Thursday night, this is 10 o'clock, still not much movement. 11 o'clock, still heavy rain and thunderstorms. Midnight, most of the showers east of Chattanooga now, but still heavy rain and thunderstorms up toward the Blue Ridge. 1 a.m. and then after about 2 o'clock, our entire area will be free from rain and thunderstorms, but cold air is going to work its way in. We will actually on Friday have a high of about 63, but that's going to take place right after midnight. Cold air is rapidly going to filter in. We'll drop down into the 30s on Friday morning, and then Friday afternoon we'll climb only into the mid-40s. So if you want to call it our afternoon high, it'll be about 45 degrees on Friday, and we'll stay cold going into Saturday morning as temperatures drop into the 20s before we warm back into the low 50s on Saturday afternoon. Well, some of the rainfall amounts widespread, 1.5 to 2 inches of rain, but some isolated spots may get anywhere from 2.5 to 3 inches of rain. And again, in that short a period of time, localized flooding, street flooding, absolutely a possibility, so be aware of that. So for tonight, mild temps, a few spotty showers, 57 for the overnight low, 58 Cleveland, 58 in Dalton. And then tomorrow, we'll have a few showers in the morning, maybe a rumble of thunder, and then those strong to severe storms moving through during the evening hours. It will be windy through most of the day. Look at the highs, though. Before those strong storms move in, we're going to ratchet it up to the upper 60s and low 70s. All that heat energy will help fuel thunderstorms as they move through. And our Storm Alert 7-day forecast, we'll call it a Storm Alert weather day for your Thursday because of the potential for those strong to severe storms as you're getting off of work and heading home. And then Friday, colder. 39 degrees in the morning, 45 Friday afternoon, 28 Saturday morning, 53 in the afternoon, and then 37 degrees Sunday morning, 60 in the afternoon. We're in the 60s and even the low 70s for the first part of next week, so that warm, showery pattern continues on into next week.